How to file a claim on the Allstate app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to file a claim on the Allstate app. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Filing a claim with Allstate is relatively straightforward, but first, you need to make sure that it's appropriate to file a claim with Allstate. There are two types of insurance system in the United States. Number one, at-fault insurance systems. In states that have adopted an at-fault insurance system, the driver who causes the accident is responsible for the resulting damages. In these states, all insurance claims are filed with the at-fault driver's insurance company. Number two, no-fault insurance systems. In states that have adopted a no-fault insurance system, each driver files a claim with their own insurance company regardless of who's at fault for the accident. Once you've determined that you should file an insurance claim with Allstate, you have two options. Number one, file an Allstate claim online. Allstate allows you to file a claim from the comfort of your own home using its website or mobile app. Number two, file a claim over the telephone. If you prefer to file a claim with a human being, call the Allstate claims phone number at the number shown on the screen for assistance. Now, regardless of how you choose to file your claim with Allstate, you will need the following information. Contact information for anyone involved in the accident. Next, vehicle information and insurance information for each vehicle involved. Next, photos of vehicle damage. Next, location and time of the day of the accident. Next, a copy of the police report, and finally, names of the officers that responded. So, this is how you can file a claim on the Allstate app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.